In the silence of the evening glow, I hear your heartbeat moving slow.
Look, phone face down on the table. I don't chase views, I'm stable. I don't chase them, I chase payroll. Turn late nights in the bankroll.
Every breath feels warmer now, like the stars came down somehow. In your arms I'm finally found. No need to make a sound.
These music videos you have watched, I made every single one using AI with zero music experience, no studio, no instruments, just one platform. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to turn any idea into a full song and generate a complete music video from scratch. The platform we're using is called MakeSong AI, an all-in-one tool for creating both music and full music videos. And honestly, when it comes to music video generation, it even outperforms platforms like Suno. I'm going to walk you through all its features step by step. Let's start with song generation. When you click on AI Song Generator, you'll see two options. You can either create a song from your own lyrics, or simply describe your idea, and the AI will turn it into a full track. Make sure you're using the latest model, V5, for more expressive and higher quality music. It also supports songs up to 8 minutes long. I'll start with lyrics to music. If you don't have lyrics, you can click here for inspiration, or even use ChatGPT to generate them for you. I already have mine prepared, so I'll paste them in here. Next, you've got customization options like style, mood, and tempo. Just pick a few keywords that match the vibe you're going for and choose your preferred voice. I'll go with a female voice, then add a title for the song. Now, generating a track only costs 3 credits. I've left a link in the description so you can try it yourself. On the free plan, you can create up to 3 full songs. Once it generates 2 versions, you can preview both.
In the silence of the evening glow, I hear your heartbeat moving slow, like a melody I've always known. In the silence of the evening glow, I hear your heartbeat moving slow, like a melody I've always known, calling me softly home.
This one sounds calm and romantic, perfect for relaxing. And the vocals? Surprisingly realistic, it actually sounds like it came from a professional studio. If you like it, just click here to download. And if you're planning to monetize your music, you can upgrade to get a commercial license. Assume you don't have lyrics, don't worry. You can still use prompt-based music and describe your song idea in plain language, and the AI will handle the rest. For example, I'll paste a simple prompt for a motivational rap song for a male singer. Keep your prompt simple. It doesn't need to be complicated. I won't add any customization here because I want to see how the platform handles a basic idea. Then I'll go ahead and generate. Here are the results.
Yeah. Still up. Still on. Look. Phone face down on the table. I don't chase views, I'm stable. I don't chase them, I chase payroll. Turn late nights in the bankroll. Eyes red, mind sharp and white. They talk big, I talk wins, I sign things. They post hate, I post progress. Whole life came from that process. They said chill, I said never. I cut time.
This is a full banger. You can immediately feel the energy and the vibe. In 2026, music creation has become incredibly easy, especially when you use the right tools like MakeSong AI. I'll actually be making a full tutorial soon where I turn this exact song into a complete music video. You can download your songs anytime, or save them for later use depending on your workflow. Let's say you want to generate instrumentals for your creative projects. This platform is exactly what you need. Just turn on the instrumentals option so the track is generated without vocals. In fact, the background music used in this video was created right here. Now imagine you're working on a movie project, creating short AI films, or even putting together a trailer. All you have to do is describe your idea in a few simple words using plain language. You can either add custom settings or generate directly. The track for the movie trailer is ready. Take a listen. This is honestly mind-blowing. If you've been hiring music professionals or spending a lot of money on production, you should definitely check out this platform. I've left the link in the description. It saves you time, effort, and helps you avoid copyright issues when uploading your content to social media. Now this is the most interesting part, and probably what many of you have been waiting for, creating AI music videos. A song is great, but once you add visuals, it grabs more attention and increases watch time, especially if you're building a YouTube music channel. All you need to do is select a song from your music library or upload one from your device. Then upload an image to guide the AI on the visual direction you want. You can upload up to 8 images to create multiple scenes in your video. Next, describe the visual style in a few simple words. You can also paste in the song lyrics, but that part is optional. Then go ahead and generate. And just like that, you get a video like this.
Yeah. Still up. Still on. Look. Phone face down on the table. I don't chase views, I'm stable. I don't chase them, I chase payroll. Turn late nights in the bankroll.
The visuals are clean and sync perfectly with the beat, which makes the whole video feel professional. If you've been using still images or juggling multiple tools, subscriptions, and long editing hours, MakeSong AI simplifies all of that into one smooth process. There are also some powerful new features that were recently added, including the AI singing video. All you need to do is upload your character, upload your song, then enter a short description like natural body movement and perfect lip sync. Choose your preferred resolution and generate.
In the silence of the evening glow, I hear your heartbeat moving slow, like a melody I've always known, calling me soft.
The result looks incredibly smooth, with fluid motion and very accurate lip sync that matches the vocals. There's also a lyric video feature that lets you create a full lyrics music video with 0 editing skills. You can even preview some examples right inside the platform. To create one, start by uploading a song or selecting one from your music library. Then upload a photo or video to use as the background. If you don't have one, you can choose from the available templates. Next, pick a caption style that fits your vibe and choose where you want the lyrics to appear on the screen. Once everything looks good, click Generate and confirm.
In the silence of the evening glow, I hear your heartbeat moving slow, like a melody I've always known.
The final result comes out clean, professional, and ready to publish. There are other interesting features you can explore, like AI dance videos powered by Kling motion control. You simply upload your character, add a reference dance video, and the AI recreates those exact movements in a polished final result. Videos like these are currently trending across social media. And it's not just about music. This platform also lets you generate high-quality 4K images using advanced models like Nano Banana 2 and Seedream 4, making it a true all-in-one creative tool. Grab the link in the description and check out all these features for yourself. Then come back and comment which song you created using this tool. If you found this helpful, like the video, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next one. In the next video, I'll show you how to clone a popular channel using AI. See you there.